Write a short note on employer. The term employer means a person, organization, company, or a body that employs a workman and provides work in return for wages or salary. The employer controls and supervises the work performed by employees and is responsible for fulfilling legal obligations under labor laws. According to Section 2E of the Employees Compensation Act 1923, the term employer includes any person or body of persons, whether incorporated or not, a managing agent of an employer, the legal representative of a deceased employer, where the services of a workman are temporarily lent or hired to another person. Such person becomes the employer while the workman is working under him. This definition gives a wide meaning to the term employer and includes not only the original employer but also persons who exercise control over the workman. Illustration: suppose a factory owner, sends his worker B temporarily to work under C for a specific project. During the period in which B works under C, C will be treated as the employer under Section 2E of the Employees Compensation Act 1923. Conclusion: thus, an employer is a person or organization who engages workers for employment and includes managing agents, legal representatives, and persons to whom workers are temporarily lent or hired under the Employees Compensation Act 1923.